Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Masalo here with RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 252. So today, Angelica actually had a question on our Instagram account, and the question was, Matt, I see you doing the live training of decorating CJ, Cricut Joy, with the rhinestones, and I wanted to know what types of materials and what I would need in order to do a project like this. So I flipped the camera around here just to kind of show you what we got going on, where I'm at so far with this project. So all of the stones that you see here, these are our TRW diamond cut flatback stones. So what a flatback stone means, as you can see when I zoom in here, see how it has the just silver kind of metal looking backing? So these stones do not have a hot fix glue on the back of them. So they're just flatbacks. And what you use with the flatback stone is the super tight glue here. So for the project here that I'm working on, I'm actually using our Fusion Tack super tight glue. So this can be used on metals, on plastics, on fabric. So this is a very universal kind of glue that can be used on a lot of things, and it's very easy to work with. Now, as far as for the different stone sizes, you can see I use some SS10s along this area, SS16s in this area, and then you'll see on the side here, I got some SS10s. Down here, I have some different spots where I use some SS6 stones. And then what I did right here is I actually colored it with a Sharpie because I'm gonna place some of the aqua stones on there as well. That Cricut logo was just white. And then this whole white area, I'm gonna use crystal stones. Now, when you open the machine up, you can see I also did the blade holder area there. That was done in all SS10 stones. So the biggest thing and the most difficult thing is just, it's almost like putting a puzzle together and working. So the way that I did this, I just did straight lines, and I did what we call kind of a honeycomb look on this one. So you can see how I used all SS16 stones in this area and how it's just kind of slotted in different areas. And they're kind of offset a little bit. So it almost looks like straight lines at an angle, okay? And that just makes it a lot easier to line everything up. The two crystal stones right there, that's where the light turns on. So I put crystal stones, that's where the light on the Cricut Joy is. And then again, I left enough area to where on all the sides here, it still closes fine, but doesn't hit that edge right there. So you always have to pay attention to that. And on the bottom here, making sure there's enough clearance so it isn't gonna hit any stones there as well. So, like I said, the stones that I'm using, these are the flatback SS10, 10 gross of our TRW diamond cut stones. These are the SS16s, and then these little ones here are the SS6s. So what I'll do for you here is all of the different materials that I used here, other than obviously the Sharpie, we don't sell the Sharpies, but the Crystal Katana tool, this is the tool that I use to pick up all of the stones and place them. You flip it over, then you can adjust the stones to make sure they're perfectly lined up. But the tool, the glues, the syringe, the tips, everything that you would need to do a project like this, I'm gonna put in the description below with links to be able to access all of them. I will also put in the link below the shoe kit that we have, and it's enough of our SS10 and SS6 crystal rhinestones, and you can choose other colors if you want as well, to be able, enough stones and glue and everything to be able to bling out a pair of shoes like this one here. And then we also have different starter kits for the flatback side of it. But just wanted to answer the question because I've been getting this question a lot because I've been doing this project live on YouTube and posting some other things on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot. But the biggest question I get all the time, like Angelica was asking, was what type of materials do I need? What all are you using? Where do I find them on the website? Because honestly, guys, right now, a lot of us are staying at home and you're looking for things to do to better your business. Well, guess what? This is your time to practice different things like this. Practice on some stuff you have at the house while you have some downtime. And all it's gonna do is better your craft, better your business, so when everything does get back to somewhat of a normalcy, then you know that you're going to be ready to offer some new awesome products to your customers. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click that like button right over there, subscribe, and the little bell right next to it. That's gonna send out a notification each time we make an awesome video like this here. And comment below, give me some more amazing questions for our Ask Matt series. Hopefully you guys have all been loving it, and we will keep going. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, crew, later.